Hi there, and welcome to TechLight and Me. In this video, I want to show you how to remove the Learn More About This Picture desktop icon in Windows 11. This icon appears as part of the Windows Spotlight wallpapers and is part of the ads that are shown by Microsoft in Windows. To remove it, follow these steps. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. In the next window, click on Background. Here you will have the option of changing the desktop background from Windows Spotlight to something else, like the default Windows wallpaper or a solid color. If you don't have access to the drop-down menu to change it, follow these steps. Click on the Start button and start typing to do a search. Search for the Registry Editor like you can see on screen now and open it. Next, navigate to the following registry key. I will also leave this key in the description below. Once here, right-click in the empty white space and select New DWORD 32-bit value. Name the value as shown on screen or find it in the description below. Next, change the value from 0 to 1. Next, if the following DWORD exists on your computer, delete it. Once that's done, you may need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After the restart, the Show More info about this picture icon should be gone. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.